I'll be unboxing this Lowe's Kobalt 40V Max Cordless Handheld Power Cleaner. And it's got everything with it. The charger and the battery, 20-foot siphon hose, and a spray wand adjuster on there. Claims a 5-year tool warranty with a 3-year battery warranty. Limited. Get the extra coverage. Who knows if these are going to work out. And here on the back you can see all of the information about the different toolkits that come with it. Battery size is a 2 amp hour, that's the small one. It's got a charger, user manuals, 20-foot siphon hose, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in there. And a spray bottle. Foot hose with a filter on the input, and a quick release that is a standard style for garden hoses and that type of thing, attachments. Quick release. Here's the unit. It's pretty good size to it. Here's the quick release connector. You can see is the 40V Max label. 600 psi is not very much. This is just a good washer, like to wash off your balcony or something like that. You can't get a garden hose to. And this is where the attachment for the wand's going to go. Battery pack goes right in there. Seems sturdy enough. Let's see what else we got in here. It seems like it was all packed up good enough. There's the wand, brassy end on it, again with the quick connector. These have a spring on them to slide back and forth, you can see. These are various quick connect attachments. That part there goes into this part here. This is a spray nozzle. It's got all the different spray patterns you can adjust to. This is the standard small battery pack. You can see 2.0 amp hours lithium battery with a test indicator. Should come without a charge. And you can see we've got one green light, so there's a very low charge on it. You need to charge those things 3 times and run them down to about 15%, and then charge them up at least 3 times in a row to make sure you get the lithium style battery needs to go through that cycle. And here you go, it'll just fit right in there. And so this thing is ready to be charged up and tested, and we'll see how it all goes. That's the unboxing of the Lowe's Kobalt Max 40V sprayer, and we'll see how it works out.